And I want 1 like on this video. Because we are going to make a DIY Ninja Star fidget spinner. So, nobody has done this. It's paper too, so you can find it anywhere. Computer paper. And I colored this one in, but it doesn't really matter. You can make it whatever shade of color you can. I just found this ring thing. You can use a pencil and stuff. So you can use like a pencil and stuff, like sketching pencil, and it's just really fun to play with. It's like a real fidget spinner. And I found this ring, so it's not really from a ring. It's one of these like surgical chop things. It's a surgical scissors, and so I'm going to show you how to make a paper Ninja Star and a fidget spinner. Let's do this. First, use a piece of paper. You need to make it like this. Fold it over like this. Okay? You got me? It's gonna be a long video. Okay, so you want to crease it like that. It's not perfect. It has to be kind of perfect and kind of not perfect at the same time. It can be a little bit off, but not too much, because then it'll ruin the whole thing. So, yeah. So, it kind of has to be perfect, but not too perfect. This is really irritating. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so fold this like this again. Fold. Okay, so you fold it like this. Wait, no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. I'm doing it wrong. Okay, so you open it up. Wait, no, you have to kind of like rip it. So, go along with the fingernail like this. Keep doing that until it feels like it's gonna actually rip. Okay, I think that's good enough. Then open this up. You can use scissors, but we're doing it the DIY way. And I messed up. Okay. So we're doing it the DIY way. The way of the ancient. I need to crease this more. Oh, I don't like scratching my nails against paper. Comment down below if you don't like that. I don't like it. Turn that notification bell on so you see when I upload. And hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Okay, this should be good to go now. Yeah, that looks much better. Yeah, it's ripping alright. The correct way. It always has to be the correct way. I had to do it the OG way. Okay, got 2 sheets of paper now. Fold it this way, like downwards. Okay. I don't have a camera here. My camera is not charged, and I don't know what the charger is for it. I need to get a new charger for it. Missed that old camera. It was from Christmas. It isn't Christmas from January. Because I couldn't get any presents until January, and I'm guessing it was January. I forgot when it was. Okay, 2 times is good. Until you have, wait. Until you have this, yeah. Wait, no, that needs to be folded one more time. I forgot. Comment down below, I'm a dumbo. Hashtag I'm a dumb. I'm a goof. It's like this. Okay. So this is where it gets serious. You have to really pay attention here. Okay. Still, you crease it halfway, like this. Fold in half. You have to fold in half. Make a crease. But then open it back up. So it's like this. I'm going to draw a line there so I can see it. Okay, there we go. You can see it better. And then you have to fold it downwards, like this. Like right on the line. Right on the crease you made. And then turn it like this. And then like this. And then you do this with the other side. Okay, this is the tricky part, okay? Intense music cue right now. Right now. I don't have any intense music. But like this. We're going to use our other piece of paper later. Wait, what step am I on? Okay. So, we turn it over. Okay, we turn it over. Make a box shape like this. Okay, I'm not good at this. Fold it down to the, you flip this over to this side, like that. From here, from here to here. Wait, from here to here, right here. Okay. Put in the lines. Kind of annoying. Putting in the lines. I have to do it for you guys. Put in a pen. This pen doesn't even work. There we go. That's some nice. Okay. See? See right there? See them? See the pen marks? Okay. So you're gonna fold this square right down to the pen marks that I made. You don't have to make the pen marks. I made those just for example, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm already at 8 minutes. Okay, so, then you flip it over and do the same for the other side. Fold it to the pen marks. Fold to the pen marks. Okay, you don't have to draw the pen marks in. Okay, so then you fold it over like a triangle. Oh, I think I messed up. Use this piece of paper now. I'll be right back.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to take
Okay,
this
so I was wrong, and you have to fold it this way. You have to fold it this way, not this way. Okay? So I got my 2 sheets here. And I'm still pretty new to this, so then do the same steps as before. But don't mess up like I did. Hashtag goof in the comments below. Hashtag I'm a goof. Hashtag biohazard the goof. Yeah. Ugh. Embarrassing. Okay, you have something that looks like this. That one was thinner before, so, yeah. I don't know. It's also a fastening accessory. What? Minor interruption, okay? It's really light, so I have to be quiet. And then fold this in half like this. Yes, I'm sure. I know you're I know you're asking that question because I goofed up. I don't know why I'm making a video this late. Okay, so it should look like this, and I have to make. Where's the good pen? Is it on the pile of papers? I'll just use this. Okay, so. Oh, bright orange. There we go. Now you can see that. Okay, so you have to fold up to that line. Or the crease that you made. Then fold it down. Yes, I'm sure. Okay. Fold it down like that. You should have something like this. Okay, so have something like that. Okay, so you twist it around. And then you fold it into a square. Mine was rectangle before, so it didn't work. Fold it into a square. And you fold it into a square for the other side too. That's how you make one part of it. Then you need to fold this into a triangle. Oh, now confirmed. Okay, so you need to fold this into a triangle. Why is this so hard? Fold into a triangle. Okay, fold into a triangle. Illuminati confirmed. Okay, so yes. Yours should look something like this. And then do the same for the other side. This one was much easier. I know, you're all shouting Illuminati confirmed, yay. Okay. Then you put it like this. Hold it down like that. And then do that for the other side too. Until it makes a diamond. Hope ink announces out. Okay, then that's 1/2. I'm gonna show that how to fold it later. Okay, so that is 1/2. Make another one like that. I'll make the other one. Okay, I'm back. And you have to set them up like this. They're in the diamond shape, right? And this is really agitating because my phone's plugged in. Okay, so they're in this diamond shape, right? They're in this diamond shape. You unfold them like this. Make sure they're like this. I have to adjust my camera. Make sure they're this. And then this right here. This is like the longest video I've ever done. There. So one's horizontal, one's vertical. Like this. It has to be exactly like this. So yeah, that's how you do it. Okay. And then how you fold it. You fold it like folding a box. So you fold it like folding a box without tape. You fold it like this. So you put this one first. Wait. Technical difficulties. Okay, this should work now. Okay. So it's like this. this was really hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Wish my friend was here. Okay. So you fold this one like this. Fold it like that. And then you fold it like this. So it goes from this, then you fold this one up to this. Then what you do next is fold this one over, like you're folding a box, but origami style. Okay. So frustrating. Okay, like that. So frustrating. Okay, there we go. Then fold this one over. That one over like it, so it's like that. Then you have to go over this one right here. Over it. Oh, come on. Why does this keep falling apart? Then you go over that one and through the little pocket there. The little pocket in the first one. So you go over this one right here. And then under it and through that little pocket. Through that little pocket from the first slot. It's very hard. It'll get easier as you do it. Do not throw this at anybody's eyes. It hurts, believe me. Then there's your finished product. Okay, so recap. You fold this one first. Fold this one first. This one right here first. And then you fold this one next. Because you have to go over this one right here with this to keep it undone. And then fold this one over that next. And make sure it's a little bit above so you can actually stick this one in here. Okay? Got that? Got it? Okay. So this is how you make the fidget spinner. You put a hole in this side right here. It's not the best, but if you dig a deeper hole, it's better. If you use like a pencil at first, then get on the pen, then it's better. Get like a pencil and just stick it up its bum. Then spin it. Then eventually move on to this thing right here. Then keep digging it deeper until it's like really in there. Then it'll spin way better. So that you can customize it any way you want. I'm going to customize it like this. Illuminati confirmed. Okay, peace everybody. DIY Biohazard in the house. Peace.